Welcome to this Geneious Biologics video on aligning your annotated sequences. After you've annotated and filtered for the highest quality antibody sequences, you can align them to quickly visualize how similar they are at specific regions. To run an alignment, select the annotated sequences of interest, then select Post-Processing and Align. We recommend aligning by regions with the ability to select multiple regions by pressing Ctrl or Command while making selections. You can choose to align by amino acids instead of nucleotides. Geneious Biologics supports several different alignment and tree building algorithms. Running this produces a visualization of your sequence alignment. On the left, you can see the tree, and on the right, you can choose what elements you'd like to visualize. For a simpler tree, you could only annotate the consensus sequence like this. You can also choose to visualize bioassay data if your annotated sequences had bioassay data associated with them before alignment. For more information, see the Adding Metadata video in this short tutorial series. For more information about Geneious Biologics, visit genius.com/biologics.